Good evening. Tonight I'm greeting you from the beautiful city of London, and I will be trying to photograph some of the most emblematic places in the city. I will be using the Sony A7 IV and the Sigma 24-70 2.8. Let's see how it goes. Oh, is that the Big Ben? It's kind of not so much visible at night. Oh, I wanted to make pictures of it, but without light it's difficult. There is some people doing photograph. And they're quite too far. Let's see how it looks when we make it bigger. Maybe interesting, let's see. So let's make it a bit slower. Now that we have some support here. Yes, like this. Okay, I'm taking too much photos. Let's do it a bit slower. Oh, this city is beautiful. Wow. Very nice. There is like very modern. Here is the Big Ben. And here is the London Eye. Wow, this is very nice. Okay, let's see what can we shoot from here. It's a quite challenging angle. So let's try this out.
Up to the mountain and
Beautiful couple. They look very great. It was more velocity. I'm not sure how stable I am. It looks very romantic. That's quite nice. Let's see if I can create a frame with this trees. Oh, this is amazing. Very nice. Okay, and the photo is not so wide, so it won't be so visible. Around the world too fast. Okay, this looks very nice.
yeah,
Okay, that was slow to focus. Okay, that one was challenging.